Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, I'm back again, and today I've got something to just try to tidy up, protect the back of my car a little bit from my friends from EV Base. They sent me this stainless steel protector back here by the rear trunk of my seal in my car. Anyways, let's get started with this. Like I said, I got this from EV Base. I do have a 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper edition, and it'll only fit that. So anyways, let's take a look at it. Here it is in the box. Got some chainsaw music going around here. Looks like that's all that's in the box. And it's actually pretty heavy duty. Well, they did say it's stainless steel, so. There's that. It's got a little bit of a protective covering on it right now, so I'm going to take that off. All right, so here you go. This is a stainless steel, and it's got the kind of a shiny carbon fiber look on it here. So it actually looks pretty good. I like it. See, there we go. And on the back, it has these Velcro pieces. So it's just going to stick to the original carpet that's already in the car. And when it just sticks there, it'll help protect the back of my car. But I can take it off. I can clean underneath it if I need to, which I'm kind of embarrassed to show you what I got going on here, but I'll show you in a minute. It's kind of dirty. It needs to be vacuumed out. But I can go ahead and install this for the purpose of the video, but next time I get over to the car wash, I'll take it out. I'm going to vacuum under it real good and then put this back on there. But this is going to help just protect some of the things I put in here. I already have a rubber mat that kind of goes all the way over it, but I'm going to show you here in a second, and you can still see all kinds of carpet there. So let me show you. So you can see I got this rubber mat already right here, and I'll take it off in a minute so you can see better, but you still see that little bit of carpet going from right there. Now I have some rubber seals all the way there, but I never protected this part of my car. Okay, so yeah, I know it looks a little dirty. I'm going to have to get in there and get that cleaned up. But anyways, we can go ahead and install this. I'm going to show you what it looks like with the rubber mat off. Here's what it looks like with the rubber mat and the board off right here. But really, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this, I'm going to line it up. And remember, it's just got the Velcro pieces on there. Just kind of set it right there. And it fits pretty darn good. Look at that. Look at that. I like it. I think it looks pretty good, and it just kind of protects that entire area right there. It is stainless steel, so any boxes or anything I throw up on here, it's going to help protect it. My rubber mat still fits on it, and look at that. That is pretty sharp right there. I really like it. It fits pretty good. Let's just make sure it's going to close the door correctly. No problem. Sealing, let's go ahead and open it back up. There we go. I like it. Looks good. No issues with it. All the way down through. Well, there you go. This thing's pretty easy to install. It's just got the Velcro pieces. It just sits on there. You can take it off. You can vacuum it. Once again, this is from EV Base. If this is something you're interested in, I'll have the link down in the description of my video. Click it. Use my discount code. Save yourself some money. Guys, I don't think you can go wrong with this item. It's stainless steel, and anytime you're putting any kind of heavy things, or I've been carrying bricks and I've been carrying pavers and all kinds of things in my car lately, and it really would have come in to help protect the back of my car. If anything, give me an ease of mind knowing that I am protected back here, anything I do throw in here. So if this is something you're interested in, link will be down below, guys. If you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video, subscribe to my channel for more stuff, and guys, I'll check you guys later. See ya. Bye. Peace.